Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are building a website with Squarespace and want to add or organize a navigation menu in 2026, here is the key thing to know. First, navigation menus in Squarespace are managed from the Pages panel, then displayed globally in the header, okay? And optionally the footer. So in this guide I will show you step by step how to add a navigation menu in Squarespace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open the Pages panel. So log into Squarespace, okay, open your website, go to Home, go Pages. This is where navigation menus are created and managed. So now under main navigation, click plus, okay, choose the page type, okay, page, block, store, external link, folder, so the page appears instantly in your menu. So now reorder menu items, so order here equals order in the header menu, okay. Changes apply instantly, top to bottom equals left to right, okay, this is for desktop. So to create a drop down, click plus folder, okay. Name the folder, drag pages into the folder equals drop down menu, so pages inside equals drop down items. So this is the only native drop down method, okay. So click plus external link and paste URL, WhatsApp, Calendly. Name the link, opens inside or outside your site, okay. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.